Let me give you an overview of the impact of model size on performance. The progression of GPT models in terms of size has consistently demonstrated a direct impact on their performance and capabilities. In a nutshell, as model size increases, several outcomes are observed. Larger models can capture and comprehend more intricate contextual relationships within the text, resulting in a more coherent and contextually relevant response. The increased capacity of larger models allows for the generation of higher quality, more fluent, and creative text outputs. And larger models have superior competence in complex tasks like language translation, question answering, and summarization due to their ability to hold and manipulate more information. With increased size, models like GPT-3 and 4 offer multilingual capabilities, accommodating diverse languages and enabling broader cross-lingual applications. But larger models demand higher computational resources and energy consumption, leading to environmental concerns and some practical limitations. As I transition from GPT-1's initial contextual capabilities to the multimodal capabilities of GPT-4, it becomes evident that size plays a pivotal role in shaping the potential and effectiveness of GPT models across a range of applications. But as I mentioned, who knows what the future holds in store? However, it all seems like this is all going in the right direction. But remember that OpenAI and the GPT family are not alone. There are alternatives, which I'll mention in a few moments. But first, let's touch base on the basics of GPT models.